What's up guys? Jumping on today to review this cordless vacuum that I have right here. First things first, let's go ahead and open it up. So when you open the box, this is what you get inside. It comes with a carrying case, an instruction manual, and all of the pieces, which I'm gonna pull out so we can take a really good look. All right, so you get a ton of stuff in the box and we're gonna go through it all right now. So this is what the device itself looks like. And there is a little filter piece in there that you can see, but this is a filter right here that is in the box. Now, there is this style head right here with a little brush. There is this little precision head, another precision style head, again with that really tiny tip. There is a little mounting kit, so if you want to mount it or have a little place to store it, this has adhesive on the back, so you can do it that way. These little combs that help you to pick up any like lint and stuff like that might be on your seats or on furniture. You have this little brush head right here, and then this round brush head right here. You have the charging cable because this is rechargeable, which is how it is cordless. And then you also have this other little extended head right here. Now, this little comb piece right here actually slides into this head. So I'll just show you that really quick. Just press it in. And then this allows you to get in there with the brush and also the comb. And then like I showed you, there's two of the little combs so you can replace it as needed. Now, looking in the instruction manual, this does so many cool things. So it not only can suction as a vacuum, but it also can blow air out the other direction. So if you're trying to clean, you can use it as a vacuum and then you can flip it right on around and use it as an air blower, which is so cool. One thing I will show you before we get started with the vacuuming is this little button right here actually turns on a little light. So if you are cleaning an area that might be a little bit darker, it has a very nice bright light for you to use. All right, so first we're gonna try out this little tip right here. I really need to clean along the baseboards in this area where I do a lot of unboxing, and there is so much just packing stuff stuck there. So we're gonna go ahead and pop this in. And then this is the button to turn it on. You press it once for low, once more for high, and then again to turn it off. So let's go ahead and clean that area. Okay, so we'll press right here. Now, if I want to use it for the blowing function, you just take off this piece right here, remove this little piece, pop on this head because we're gonna clean my keyboard on my laptop. And using this, we are gonna get that thing clean. Operation is exactly the same. You are using this button and it again goes through low, high, and off. So here we go. My touch bar and my laptop keyboard are completely 100% clear of dust and debris. The last thing that we will test today is the fabric cleaner. Now, I don't know if you can tell, but my friend brought her dog over the other day and there is dog hair. Her dog is white. There is white dog hair stuck all over this. So we are gonna use this to go ahead and take care of that. And just rub my arm on it, not a single bit of pet hair in sight. So after using it for 3 different usage scenarios today, I can honestly say if that doesn't sell you, I don't know what will. I am obsessed. I think this is a phenomenal product, and overall, I cannot recommend it enough. So definitely check it out.